Well, Dooley's coming back in, so I'm slowly cleaning this up. Cleaned all this up, slowly cleaning this corner up, just so it fits in better. Most of these oil pails can be emptied because they all have like that much hydraulic oil in them, and then thrown in the pail pile. We'll get it cleaned out so we can fit that in because I gotta do brakes. I was gonna do brakes last night, got too late, had a meeting. So we're gonna do brakes. They've been coming like, I don't know, 5 months overdue. You'll remember back in the winter when I was down at Jared's, that one side we couldn't unseize the caliper. Wouldn't slide, so we just put new brakes on, whatever, we'll deal with it. So I got a caliper for it, so I'm gonna change all the back brakes, front brakes, and my speedometer ABS light is going cattywampus today, so we'll see. Maybe I have a hub on the front that's iffy. Let's see. Yeah, so clean a bunch of this up, burning garbage. Oh, it's a beautiful day. And it rained last night too. Woo! Think we found the reason why our ABS is having issues. Here's our passenger side. Yeah. Seems to be relatively decent. Yeah. Here's our driver's side. Oh, I think that bearing is gone. I would say, I think. Yep. Listen to that. Well, time to make a phone call. We're back. Little pit stop. Had to bring tractor and baler back. Feed pigs. This is what $750 buys you. Oh, actually, I gotta clean kind of spilled some stuff here. Clean this off. What a mess. Jeez. Anyways. This is the bearing. Now we gotta take this dually spacer off. Then we take the brake off. Unbolt the hub. Bada bing, bada boom. Easy peasy. Right? Right. So, get all apart, go to pull the hub off. You think we got a functional pair of snap ring pliers around here? Nothing. These piece of junk. Like, nothing. Good for absolutely nothing. Like, like this whole container that I found somewhere. Like, absolutely, like they're garbage. Like, we're, like, oy. This is why we can't have nice things. This is why we can't have nice things at all. Like, don't get me wrong, not that everything from the 60s is bad, but, like, where'd the good snap ring pliers go? I don't know, like, not this. So, there's some in the one truck. Why are they in the one truck? They should be in the drawer. So, gotta wait for them to come here. So, while I'm doing that, I guess, we're out of jacks. I'll put a jack stand under this. And I'll jack up this corner. I'll take these wheels off. This is the main side I got to change caliper on. So, yeah. Hold tight on that. We'll work on that till we get to the stupid snap ring pliers. Yeah, hold tight. Ooh, look at that. Got the new caliper on. And then I might have made a boner move that actually worked out. So, bleeding the brakes. Because it's like, well, I started working on this while I was waiting for Dad to come pick me up and bring me snap ring pliers. That, man, these are garbage. Hopefully they actually will work. So it's like, okay, we'll start working on that. So it's like, well, might as well finish that before I come back to here. So started, okay, we're bleeding the brakes, and man, it like felt hard. Hear some clicking and popping, and okay, good. Yeah, well, the brake caliper's hanging there. So blew the one piston. Well, didn't blow it out. Blew the one piston out. Blew the other one. Started out. So I'm trying to get them back in. Oh well, I'll have to take whatever that bracket is. So we're not taking the whole cylinders off. We're just taking the bracket that holds the brakes on. Okay. Then found out these little slides. One seized. The other was stiff. So, okay, well, took that all apart and lubed them up and freed them up so that the brakes will do better. So, yeah. Whoop. Alrighty, so brakes are all back good on here. So now we can try and take this snap ring off. All right, back at her. Look at this nice shiny black hub. Look who also showed up. What's up, Ray? You came in here? What'd that be barking at, huh? Yeah? Oh, you sitting on my chair. Mm-hmm. What? I'm not gonna kick you out. No. Yeah? What you figure? Is this? Oh boy. How did that go on again? Oh, yeah. Like that. Like that. Yeah. I think. Oh, what the heck? Well, hey Ray. Camera died. I don't know if the time lapse is any good anyways. Got our hub in there. Look at that. Quiet. Got our locking hub. Got our fancy looking orange ABS cable cabled in there. Now all we gotta do, well, gonna put our rotor on. Then we gotta put our dually hub thingy extension on. Brake caliper on. Then we can finish bleeding our back brakes. Maybe bleed these brakes too. I don't know. Yeah, coming along. It's a few little setbacks, but hey, not so bad. Ooh, look at that. So good. Don't mind the dust shield. So nice. Oh. Woof. Brakes are good. Everything's bolted up. Now let's grease the front end. Slap this tire on. Then we can slap the tires on this back. Then do the other side. The other side only need brake pads, not the caliper. Thank the Lord. Well, done dittered. Tires are rotated. Got the front greased. Brakes are all good. Brake fluid's topped up. Coolant's good. There was a leak, but I can't find it. Yeah, it's good now. Oh, I'm ready for supper. It's only, what time is it anyway? It must be getting close to 10 o'clock. Oh, this took longer than I thought it would. But we good to go. Good to G. Oh, let the truck warm up. Oh, and the shop's kind of somewhat clean. Boy, howdy. Yeah.